Hi folks, I would like to welcome you to my channel, and today's topic is about understanding the benefits of eating dates. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe or click on the bell icon to stay informed with regular updates. Consuming dates offers numerous health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile. Here are some of the health benefits associated with consuming dates. Firstly, it is rich in nutrients because dates are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are important for overall health and well-being. Secondly, it is high in fiber, which is essential for promoting digestive health, preventing constipation, and regulating bowel movements. It also helps maintain healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels. 3. Dates are naturally sweet and can be used as a healthier alternative to refined sugar in recipes and desserts. Their sweetness comes from natural sugar like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, providing a quick source of energy. 4. It contains various antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, while lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. 5. Dates helps to maintain strong and healthy bones. Regular consumption of dates helps to prevent bone-related conditions such as osteoporosis. 6. It is a natural energy booster due to their high carbohydrate content, making them an excellent snack option for athletes or individuals needing a quick energy boost. 7. The antioxidants and other nutrients in dates helps to protect brain cells from oxidative damage, inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Lastly, dates have been used in traditional medicine to alleviate symptoms of various health conditions, such as constipation, anemia, and respiratory issues. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using dates or any other natural remedies for medicinal purposes. Incorporating dates into your diet as a healthy snack or sweetener can contribute to overall health and well-being. However, it's essential to consume them in moderation due to their high natural sugar content. If you have come across any other health benefits by eating dates, then do share it on the comments section. In the meantime, see you folks on the next video.